Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars here at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent. ME2 4RL is our postcode. Here we have another wheelchair accessible vehicle. This one's a 2012 on a 12 VW Caddy Maxi with an allied conversion. Done just 30,000 miles from new. Come to us direct from Motability, as is with the majority of our WAVs. And as you will see from this short video, is in grade A condition. So it's a 5-seat plus wheelchair conversion with a 7-seat option. So you can put the third row seats in. I'll show you that in just a second. To make it a 7-seat vehicle when the wheelchair space is not required. You will need to find storage space for the third row seats. They do have to come out of the vehicle unless you find some ingenious way that we haven't of keeping those in there and maintaining the wheelchair space. So lovely black metallic paintwork, alloy wheels, air conditioning, electric mirrors, remote central locking, everything you need in a wheelchair adaptable vehicle. So it's got the fold flat ramp, so it can be used as a standard 7-seat vehicle or a standard 5-seat vehicle, whichever you choose. With the fold flat ramp, so it hides the lowered floor. So you've got 4-point securing as standard on all wheelchair accessible vehicles. 2 electric belts at the front, and then those 2 pods at the back will accommodate the 2 manual belts, which we have. Everything comes with the vehicle. We carry around 25 WAVs in stock, or wheelchair accessible vehicles as you might know them as. Generally the most popular makes and models, so that's the VW Caddy Maxi like this one, Peugeot Partner Horizon, Citroen Berlingo and the Peugeot Expert. We do have access to other vehicles through Motability, so if we haven't got what you're looking for, give us a call on 01634 716 911. Let us know what you're looking for and we'll see if we can get hold of it for you, no problem. If you have a vehicle to part exchange, whether it's wheelchair accessible or not, we can take that in. If it's not wheelchair accessible, then don't worry, we have ways of getting rid of it for you. So don't think that because it's not wheelchair access that we don't want the vehicle. We can help you in many ways. So just, give us a call and then we'll explain all, or pop along and see us at Cooling Road. If you prefer to look on our website, it's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. You'll see a range of vehicles on there, suitable for both private mobility and taxi drivers. So our vehicles are multi-purpose in who our customers will be, whether you're in the UK, Ireland, Malta, Cyprus. We have supplied vehicles to all over these places, so if you're far away from us and you think you're too far, not to worry. Again, give us a call and we'll explain how we can get the car to you, no problem. If you want to look at our website, it's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Telephone number again is 01634 716 911 and the postcode again is ME2 4RL if you want to pop along and see us. Thanks very much for watching and we hope to see you soon.